السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And today we will learn Surah Al-MAUN. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So Hamza with Fatha A, Ra, Hamza goes to Ya, I. So this word will be Ara, I. Ara, I. Ta goes to Lam, and Lam with Fatha. Talla. After Kasra, Ya with Sukun, Ya comes. So we will make the Zal sound longer. Talla, the. Talla, the Zal sound will be very soft. You, Kaf goes to Zal. Kaz, Zal Kasra, Z. You Kazi. Ba, Dhamma, Bu. You Kazibu. This Z sound will be soft because it's representing Zal sound. Yukadhibu. Ba will be connected with Dal because Dal is having connecting sign. And then we will make the Dal sound longer because Ya is following by Kasra. And then we make the Noon sound silent because we are stopping on it. Biddin. Biddin. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين. Next, we will make the Zal sound longer. Faza for 2 seconds. Faza, Lam Kasra Li, and Kaf will be connected with the next Lam. Kalla, Lam with Fatha. Kalla. We make the Zal sound longer because it's following by Kasra. ذي كالذي. Ya simply Fatha. Ya, Dal will be connected with Ain, Dur, and Ain with Dhamma will be connected with the next Lam, Ul. So we connect Dal with Ain first, Ya Dur, and Ain with Lam, Ul, Ya Ul. Then Ya Fatha Ya, and after Kasra, Ya is coming, so we make the Ta sound longer and make the meme sound silent because we will stop on it. Yatim, yatim. فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم. Wow, Fatha simply Wa, and after Lam is having, this is the letter Lam Alif. So Lam with Fatha, and after Fatha Alif is coming, we make the Lam sound longer. Wala, Ha will be merged with Dod. Yahuddu, Yahuddu with the Ain, simply Fatha. We will not make it longer. A, and Lam with standing Fatha. We make the Lam sound longer for 2 seconds. Double A is coming. Ala. Then Ta Fatha Ta, and after Ain, Alif is coming. We make the Ain sound longer. Ta, Ta. Meme will be connected with Lam. Ta'amil, Ta'amil. Meme goes to Seen, Miss. And after Kasra, Ya is coming, we make the Kaf sound longer. Keen, Miskin. ولا يحض على طعام Miskin. Fa simply fatha. Fa wow goes to ya. Y. Wow ya fatha. Y. Fa y. Fa y. Lam will be connected with the next lam. Lam with dhamma goes to the next lam. Lul. And this lam with kasra will be connected with the lam with sukun. Lil. Lul. Lil. Lul. Lil. Okay. So this part will be called Fawai Lulil. You can see there. Fawai Lulil. Meme simply with Dhamma Mu, and Sod will be connected with Lam. Sol, and Lam with Kasra is followed by Ya. So we make the Lam sound longer. Lean, we make the Noon sound silent because we are stopping on it. So this word will be Fawailul lil Fawailul lil Musallin. We will read the Fatha on Alif. It will be connected with Lam, and Lam with Fatha. Allah. Sal will be followed by Ya with Sukun. Kasra is followed by Ya with Sukun. So we make the Zal sound longer. Zina. Alladhina. This Z sound will be soft because it's representing the Zal letter. Ha goes to Mim from the bottom part of the throat. Hum. Ain goes to Noon. An. Sad with Fatha. Saw. It will be bold. Saw. Make the Lam sound longer because after Fatha Alif is coming. La. Ta will simply Kasra. The, and Ha will be connected with Mim. Him. Salatihim. This word will be called Salatihim. We make the Sin sound longer after Fatha Alif is coming. Sa. And we make the Ha sound longer because after Dhamma Wow is coming. Hoon. Make the Noon sound silent because it's at the end. We make the last letter silent. Sahun. الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون. Next, we read Fatha on Alif, the same word. الذين. Ha goes to Mim. Hum from the bottom part of the throat. Hum. We make the Ra sound big longer because after Fatha Alif is coming and it's followed by Hamza. So we make the Ra sound big longer. You can see there is mad sign coming. And we make the Hamza sound longer as well because after Dhamma Waw is coming. So we make the Ra sound more longer for 4 seconds or 5 seconds and 2 seconds for Hamza. Yura'un. Yura'un. The Ra sound will be bold because it's having Fatha on it. Alladhina hum yura'un. Yura'un. The last ayah will be Wa with simply Fatha. Wa. Ya will be connected with Mim. Yam. Na. Wa yam na. It is Ain with Dhamma, and after Dhamma Wa is coming, we make the Ain sound longer. ويمنع, this noon will be connected with lam, null. ويمنعون after fatha alif comes, we make the meme sound longer. Ma, after dhamma vav comes, we will make the ain sound longer, and the noon sound with the fatha sound we make silent. Ma'un. ويمنعون الماعون. Okay, I will read the whole surah from the beginning. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون. That's it for today, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.